When it comes to paid search advertising, two major players dominate the landscape: Google Ads and Microsoft Ads. Google Ads is the giant of the advertising world. It controls the largest share of the search market, reaching more than 9 out of 10 internet users globally. That scale alone makes it incredibly powerful for businesses that want maximum exposure. When someone searches for a product or service on Google, your ad can appear at the top of results instantly. For most advertisers, it is the first and most obvious place to start. The biggest strength of Google Ads is its reach and flexibility. You can run text ads on Google Search, image ads on the display network, video campaigns on YouTube, and even shopping ads for e-commerce. The targeting is extremely precise. You can filter by location, device, audience interest, and even user intent. Google's machine learning also helps optimize your bids and placements automatically, which can save time and improve performance. Another major advantage is the integration with Google Analytics and Merchant Center. You get deep insights into how customers find you, what they click, and how they convert. It is perfect for businesses that rely on measurable results. However, that power comes at a price. Competition on Google Ads can be intense, especially in industries like finance, technology, and e-commerce. Cost per click tends to be higher, and optimizing campaigns takes skill and consistent management. Google Ads is ideal for advertisers who want the largest possible audience, broad brand awareness, and advanced automation tools. It works well for both small businesses and large brands, but you need to monitor spending carefully to get the best return on investment. Now let's look at Microsoft Ads. This platform powers advertising on Bing, Yahoo, and AOL search networks, as well as several partner sites. While its market share is smaller than Google's, it reaches a unique and often valuable audience. Many Microsoft Ads users are professionals, older demographics, and high-income households. People who often use Microsoft Edge or search directly from Windows devices. Microsoft Ads tends to be more affordable. Cost per click is usually lower than on Google Ads because there is less competition for keywords. That makes it an attractive option for advertisers who want to stretch their budgets further. You can often get high-quality traffic at a fraction of the cost, especially in niche markets or local campaigns. In terms of features, Microsoft Ads has evolved significantly. It offers automated bidding, audience targeting, and conversion tracking similar to Google Ads. It also integrates with LinkedIn data, allowing advertisers to target by company, industry, or job title, something Google Ads does not offer. This makes Microsoft Ads particularly useful for B2B marketers and professional services. Another benefit is ease of management. If your goal is to scale fast and reach as many customers as possible, Google Ads will deliver that reach. But if you want to optimize your budget, test new markets, or reach business professionals who may not be on Google all day, Microsoft Ads gives you excellent value. The best strategy for many North American advertisers is to use both. Start broad with Google, then refine and expand with Microsoft. Together, they make a powerful combination for getting your message in front of the right audience at the right time.